Hello, you wonderful people. Welcome back to our channel. My name is Kashi. First of all, I need to apologize for the late upload due to some reasons. Now, today we will talk about the evolutionary psychology of the triune brain, the three stage of our brain. So, this is our triune brain. This is the reptilian brain, which is known as the brainstem. This is our mammalian brain, which is known as our limbic brain, and this outer surface is known as the neocortex brain. So, the reptilian brain, it functions on our heartbeat, it functions on our breathing, digestion system, and blood flow. Now, the mammalian brain, it is a kind of an animal brain, as in chimpanzee or our dog. It is very similar. Now, this part of the brain doesn't understand any language. It acts on it visual images. It acts on it reward. It acts on fear, pain. So now the third part is the neocortex. This part of the brain is the outer surface of our brain and is associated in higher processes such as consciousness, reasoning, thought, and language. We will mainly focus on the mammalian brain where all the action is. This part of the brain is also our emotional center. This part of the brain reacts to the world around us in real time without any thought. And as I said, this part of the brain is our emotional center. From there, that signals go out to the various part of the brain. Now, there are three F fear responses: freeze, flight, and fight. These three responses that most animal, including human, have when feel threatened. These are order based on our body and need to conserve energy. The first reaction is freeze, least energy needed, and then the flight and fight, greatest energy needed. This F responses kicks in during time of stress. These responses are automatic and deeply programmed into our behavior. The freeze mode. The purpose of this freeze reaction is to avoid being noticed. People in freeze mode will disengage from meetings, stops giving opinion and ideas. Now, the flight mode. The purpose of the flight reaction is to distance ourselves from danger, which is flee or run. Now, the fight mode. The purpose of the fight reaction is to beat in danger. In business world, uh, we don't fight with our hands. We fight with our words and actions. Now, uh, we human can teach ourselves to tell a convincing lie, like an actor, politicians, lawyer, and accountant, but our body always gives them away. Now, for example, if someone is really engaged talking with you, it is very easy to give a nod, occasional aha, or maybe a real really attentive. Instead, look at their feet because our feet is the most honest part of our body. It betrays our emotion. The feet sends plenty of signals of emotion the person might be feeling at the moment. Becoming more attentive of freeze, flight, and fight behavior, you will be better understand to determine when people or you are under stress. Remember, these responses comes in order. The sooner you catch one, the easier and more likely it will be to resolve the problem. So, the key to understand people around us is to aside 15 minutes a day to study body language of other people as well as conscious awareness of your own behavior. Most importantly, it teaches us to be more sensitive of other people's feelings and emotions. From the next episode, I am going to guide you how to spot those behaviors and to explain you deeply what the purposes of those behaviors. So that's it for today. See you soon on our next episode. Till then, take care and have a wonderful days ahead.